Hello and welcome to the Kingdom YouTube channel. My name is Frosty. If you want to know more about me, check out my Twitter at littlefrosty03. In this video, we'll be going over how to make your pixel art bigger without losing any details or getting a faded edge. For this video, we will be using a rendition of a castle which you can find a link to in both the description and the pinned comment below. But any pixel art will do. Simply follow along with the same steps in this video using your own artwork. Most of the time, when you create pixel art, it will usually be 32 by 32 or 64 by 64 pixels wide. This can work well as a game or application icon, otherwise it's too small. To begin, open up pixel art in a Photoshop document by either right-clicking and selecting Open with Photoshop or by dragging it into an empty Photoshop document. While holding down Alt and scrolling with our mouse wheel, you can zoom in and see the art in full. In order to make this pixel art bigger, at the top go to Images, select Image Size. Once at Image Size menu, you can begin to size the document and art to whatever you like. If we set it to 1000 pixels, you can see on the preview on the left that we're losing a lot of quality of the original image. In order to fix this, we must change the resample to nearest neighbor. In the preview, you are able to see that the edges are once again sharp and clear. Once you've set your size and resolution as you want, click OK. With that, you have effectively resized your pixel art significantly. Once we have placed the two images side by side, you can see that the quality is equal between them. If you have further questions, leave a comment below and we'll make sure to answer as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video, consider supporting us on our Patreon or Ko-Fi. Links in the description below.
See you next time.